In this video, we will discuss future value of annuity due of 1 peso. Sige, let's start.
Bigla kang sumakses eh.
Okay, so recap lang natin, no? Kapag sabihin nating annuity, it means series of equal payments na may equal intervals. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng annuity due? So, recap lang natin, no, na pag sabihin nating annuity due, ang bayad is agad-agad. Okay? So, sige. It answers the question that if I make a series of equal deposits over several periods starting now, how much do I need to deposit that will be worth 1 peso in the future? So again, yung kaibahan niya lang dun sa ordinary annuity is that sa ordinary annuity, ang payment is after 1 period. Samantalang sa annuity due, ang payment is right now. Okay? So ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Babalikan natin to in a while. Pause the video and try to answer this problem on your own. Sige, let's start. So, i-analyze muna natin. Okay? Anong klaseng annuity ba to siya? Okay? First, confirm muna natin. Annuity ba to in the first place? So, sabi dito is, make a series of 1 million peso deposits. So, check na natin na series of equal payments. Next, ang sabi din dito is every year. So, check na rin natin yung equal intervals. So, it is indeed annuity. Now, check naman natin, is it ordinary annuity or annuity due? Okay, ang sabi din dito na ang deposit ay mangyayari ngayon. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin, isa itong annuity due. Okay? So, sige. Kung gagawin natin siya sa isang table, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Okay? So, since ang first payment mangyayari sa first day, okay? So, as you can see, sa January 1, 2025, may 1 million. After 1 year or sa December 31, 2025, magkakaroon ng 12% interest. Tapos, again na naman, sa January 1, 2026, madadagdagan kasi magkakaroon ng deposit of 1,000 pesos. And then, ito ang magiging basis for the 12% interest and so on and so forth. Hanggang aabot tayo sa year 5 sa 7,115,189. Gosh, is there a quicker way? Yung bang yung 1 million, i-multiply lang natin by something tapos lalabas, eto na agad? Yes. Dito na papasok ang formula, okay? Ang future value factor. So sige, sabayan nyo ako with your basic calculators. So sige, gamitin natin yung formula. Okay? So first, unahin natin itong parenthesis. Okay? So, ang interest rate is 12%. So that's 1.12. Next, yung number of periods natin, dagdagan natin ng isa. Okay? So that will be 6. Okay? So again, press times 2 times. 1, 2. And then press equal sign. Okay? Be careful, no? Kasi ang goal natin is 6 periods. So ang 1.12 dito, it's already 1 period. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. So next is i-minus daw natin sa 1. Okay? Then divided by the interest rate. Then again, minus 1. So as you can see, meron na tayong future value of annuity due factor. Okay? That's 7.115189. Okay? Sige. Next, that is 1 million, no? Ayan. So ang magiging sagot ay 7 million. Pag i-multiply natin ang factor sa 1 million, it will be 7,115,189. Similar dito. So, di ba, ang dali. Okay? So, next, we will answer present value computation sa susunod na video.